Please join my Telegram channel for all the latest updates. Link is in the description box. Let me show you the template video first.
Like bing, bop, boom, 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 bop, bam. The type of shit I'm on you wouldn't understand.
These premium templates takes me hours to make, so it would be great if you could like this video and subscribe to the channel for more such premium templates. Here is your QR code. Now we will see how to use the template QR code. Once you see this type of photo on your screen, all you have to do is take a screenshot of it. Now open the VN app, click on this scan icon, then click Media, and upload the screenshot you just took. It will automatically scan the QR code. If the VN app says QR code is invalid, all you have to do is open the video in highest resolution, that is 1080p, then take the screenshot. Now crop the QR code this much so that the QR becomes big. I am damn sure now it will easily scan it. Here, click on Use. If you do not see the Use button here, instead you are getting the Download button. Simply click on it. Now, click here to download. You will now see the Use template option. Now, upload all your photos or videos you want to use for this template. Click Next. You can even replace, add filter, or crop your photo or video. For some templates, you will see the option of editing the text as well, so please do it if you want. For this particular template, this photo cutout might not be perfect, or it's coming out of the frame. To resolve this issue, click on the Export button. Then, click on Edit. The full project will be opened. Now, click on any photo cutout and select the Cutout tool. To remove this girl from behind, click on Modify Area. The erase brush is already selected. Stretch the screen to zoom in and increase the brush size. Now start removing the girl from behind. If you did some mistake, you can click on the Undo button to bring it back. Now remove the girl perfectly. Now, for example, you want to bring back any important section. Select the Restore brush and make that part visible. For now, let's undo it. Once you are satisfied, click on Done. Now, for some templates, you will be seeing the black shadow behind the cutouts. To remove or change them, select the Stroke tool and choose any stroke of your choice. You can also change the size, distance, and opacity of the stroke. If you don't want any stroke, please select None from here. Once you are satisfied, click on Done. Now, one more setting is there. If you click on this Invert tool, only the background will be visible and persons will be gone. For now, let's undo it. And click on Done. If your cutout is not coming in the frame properly, simply select the cutout and resize it to fit the screen. Now, you can export your video. I hope now your problem must have been resolved. It would be great if you could like this video and subscribe to the channel for more such premium templates. See you guys in the next one.